It's on record. Why are you recording?
I'm going to record you being fat. Go on, you eat your Rocky Horror.
I'm eating it.
Go on, fatty. Go on, get some of the chocolate brownie.
Come on, move it down.
Oh, that's it, you get that in your mouth. Go on, eat up, fatty. I'm going to record you eating the whole thing.
And you sneeze.
Quick. You should put this on Facebook.
No, it's so melted.
You love it. Go on, drink it. Do you want a straw? You're eating that quick.
Very fatty girl.
Showing you how it's done. I could do an eating competition.
Look how you hold it.
Like a fine scotch.
Without chocolate.
Do you like chocolate? How much do you love chocolate, Heather?
Not.
Show us how much you love chocolate.
Fatty bum bum.
I'm getting through it quite quick.
I know you are.
Go on. She'll run out of recording time soon. Eat faster.
No, this has got 24 hours on it apparently.
You can record for 24 hours. You should just leave it in your pocket recording for 24 hours. And then if you need to answer the phone or whatever, just do it.
Whoa, you've eaten so much. Yeah, you wolf that down. Ow! Ow! You got a bit on your lips, Heather. Whoa. That's making me feel sick.
Why?
Go on, you're almost there.
I know.
So far you've
Push
got...
yourself out a little bit harder.
You're nearly at 3 minutes. This must be a record time. You're not even showing signs of like tiring anytime soon. Maybe if you just put on your t-shirt. Lesbian.
Look. One before.
That kid's got no hope. Look how it's dressed.
Look how you're dressed.
Yeah, but I'm not going to turn into a gangman.
Oh, you've got it all over your lips.
It's fine.
It's fine.
I'm done.
You're fat, Heather. That's it. Wash it down.
You can stop now.
No,
You can.
you're still wiping your mouth. Lick it. Go on, lick it. Lick it clean.
Look, see, two of them. Done now, Kat.
Okay, how'd you stop it?